We'll learn how to cover the book, and we'll first look at the set of materials needed. So we'll start with the book, obviously. Brown paper cover roll, sellotape which will be used to stick the cover, scissor and a knife. So before we start to actually cover the book, we need to cut the cover to the size of the book. So for that we take the book, we measure it from the roll of the cover. What we need to really keep in mind is that you need to keep a little bit of margin, because that is what you will fold when you cover the book. So you keep a little bit margin, perhaps 1.5 inch, and then fold the roll, make it crisp so that you can use a knife to tear it neatly. Now we have cut the cover to the size of the book that we are going to cover. So hold the book like this, where you have the book sort of hanging inside the cover. This is essential because this will tell you that the margins on the side of the book are of the same size. Now you need to see the gap here, which you need to fold. There is a gap here, and similarly there is a gap on the other side that you need to fold, make it crisp. Now we will actually take this edge and put it inside and sort of create a triangle, and then fold it like this. Same thing we will do on the other side, where we'll fold this edge and paste inside and just create a triangle. Once you have done that, take the book out, and now you need to cut the triangle. You don't have to cut the triangle out, you need to cut till the tip of the triangle, because this is a portion that we will be folding inside to strengthen the cover so that it doesn't tear. So you cut it and then you fold it like this. We repeat the process on the other side now. And then you cut the triangle, and you fold it. Once you have folded the triangle on both sides, now you get the book back and you place the book vertically. The reason being, you want to match the edge that you have cut on both sides so that it fits properly. And now you open the first page of the book, put it flat and fold one edge. While folding, ensure that you have to fold it in a crisp fashion so that it comes exactly to the measurement. Same thing that you do on the other side. When you have done that, then you keep the book down, turn the book around. Now again hold it vertically, and we have to do the same thing on the other side, where you have this pressed, the edges pressed on both sides. And once that's done, you keep the book down. So now you have the book almost covered. Now you press the side edges of the book and fold it inside. Turn the book around, fold the side edge of the book, turn it inside. So this book is almost covered, but now we will make it such that it doesn't come off. So we remove this edge out and we fold it on both sides, create triangles, and then we fold it back, and we fold it back. Turn the book around, open the edges, make triangles. Once you have the triangles done like this, then you fold them and fold them inside. Once we do this, now we take the sellotape and we stick the edges so that they become permanent. So you open the book, you see the triangle, and you just stick the tape. Similarly, open the other edge, stick the tape. Turn the book around, take the tape, and you have to stick the edge. And you do it same way here. Stick the edge. So now book is covered, and this will last you for a long time.